Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And today, what do we have? Well, I'll tell you in a second. Before I get into that, there is our telephone number. If you have questions, we have good answers. So Joel, come on over here. We got the Ford Ranger Sport. Of course, this is a new Ranger. And what did we do? Well, we did the Roll and Lock M Series. This is Roll and Lock's probably their bread and butter, the cover they've been doing for decades. They have fine-tuned this thing over the years where it is a terrific cover. I tell you, if you want, Joel, go ahead and swing around here. Let's get a good view of everything. It is a marine grade vinyl with metal underneath here. It does have a matte finish, so it matches the bed caps on this. Comes with a 3-year manufacturer warranty with the 300-pound capacity of weight on top. That is evenly distributed, so keep that in mind. If you need to get inside to clean the canister, a couple little screws, this comes off you, and it leaves get inside. You can get there and clean it real easily. This is your lock here. It does have a cover for lock, so you don't have to worry about water getting in there, which is really good if you live up north because it could freeze your lock if water gets in there. So let's go in here and take a look how it works. Now, what people really like about the Roll and Lock is it does have one of the smallest containers in the industry. It's less than 8 inches, which is very small. Very easy to use. I'm going to go ahead and turn this. Now this thing is a little stiff because it's new, but it does break in. So let's go ahead and push all the way back. There you go. Now you'll see we use the existing holes in the bed here. We don't like putting holes in the floor. We try to avoid that. There's factory-made holes there. We just went through the plastic, so nice and easy. Again, look how much room you have underneath this canister. There's tons of room. This is a very small bed. This is a 5-foot bed, so here is a cover that eats a very little room in the bed, so you're really maximizing your space in the bed here. Now, as installs go, this one has a few extra steps. There's actually extra brackets underneath here, which does add a little bit more support. Unfortunately, the bed caps that come with these, maybe not as strong, so Roll and Lock, in their wisdom, added extra support system. By the way, good job, Roll and Lock. I like that a lot. Now, a lot of rolling covers, it's either all the way open, all the way closed. This one does have stops. If you listen, it's going to be a little click. You can have it partially open if you like. If you look in here, a little click there. There you go. Basically, every 12 inches, you're going to have a click. And then you get a fairly large seal here. Now, the front of the bed and the back of the bed drop down a little further than most beds. So they have a seal there, which is kind of fat. And this one has a little bigger seal here as well. So that's basically because this comes down a little lower than most tailgates. But all in all, this is a great setup. I like the way it looks. I like the way it functions. Now, going into some functions here, I'm going to go over water. Now, a lot of guests, very first question they're going to ask, hey, is this thing waterproof? This is a truck and not a submarine. It is not waterproof. It is weatherproof. It's weather resistant, water resistant, what kind of term you don't want to say. It's not waterproof, okay? You could expect some small amount of water. So now Roll and Lock, in their wisdom, has some nice seals here. They got seals back there. They got a big seal here on the tailgate. They do a lot to keep the water out. Is it going to keep every drop out? No. So before you purchase any cover, by the way, they're none of them waterproof. I hear people who go by, well, this guy at such and such place said it's waterproof. The guy's lying to you. I'm sorry. I hate to break it to you. He's trying to make the sale. Wouldn't you rather someone be honest with you? I mean, let's tell you the truth. It's better. I mean, we're all adults here. You want to be told the truth. You get in there, you see a little water. Oh, well, he did tell me it's not waterproof. It's good to know before you spend your money. Now, if you like this product and you say, you know what, Chris, I don't live in Florida. I would love for you to come down there and for us to put it on, but I live in another state. Not a problem. We ship this all over the country. You can call the store. You can ask for Joel's behind the camera, who's also the guy who installed this. And they can ship it to anywhere, even Hawaii, California, Texas, Puerto Rico. We got you covered. If you live in the United States, we got you covered. Even some places outside the United States, I think we even, small amount of things we can do in Canada. Not that many, but a couple things. So keep that in mind. Of course, if you come here and you buy the cover from us and we install it for you, we can double the warranty. Now, you do have to buy the cover from us to get that double the warranty. And of course, we have to install it for you. So all in all, you got a wonderful product here. Looks good, works good. Great little truck here. I like this a lot. Again, I have a Roll and Lock on my, if you want, you can see there's my truck there. And I got an E-Series on my truck when I did get the T-Slot, which is available on this one. If you want a T-Slot, basically you can add racks. So this is just a regular M Series, and they have the M Series XT, which lets you have a T-slot. So that's some of the options you can have. If you call us, we'll go over all that stuff with you. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the M Series roll and lock on a new 2024 Ranger Sport with a 5-foot bed. Before I forget, hit that like button. We really appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with all the latest and greatest products. Thank you so much.